promise you the world again, everything within my hands, all the riches one could dream, they will come from me. I hope that you could understand that this is not what I had planned. Please don't worry now, it will turn around. 'Cause I need more time, just a few more months and we'll be fine. So say what's on your mind, 'cause I can't figure out just what's inside. I hope that you could understand this is not what I had planned. Please don't worry now, it will turn around. 'Cause I need more time, just a few more months and we'll be fine. So say what's on your mind, 'cause I can't figure out just what's inside. So say alright, 'cause I know we can make it if we try. 'Cause I need more time, just a few more months and we'll be fine. We're off to new lands, so hold on to my hands. It's gonna be alright. It's a whole lot brighter. Stand by the fire. It's gonna be alright. Yeah, the road gets harder, but it's not much farther. It's gonna be alright. You know that it ain't easy, but please believe me, it's gonna be alright. Oh, please don't worry now. Yeah, please don't worry now. Oh, please don't worry now, 'cause it will turn around. 'Cause I need more time, just a few more months and we'll be fine. So say what's on your mind, 'cause I can't figure out just what's inside. So say alright, 'cause I know we can make it if we try. 'Cause I need more time, just a few more months and we'll be fine.
I used to be so happy, but without you here I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. 'Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's buried deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure I will never forget you. And you will always be by my side till the day
who I am. There you go, lifting my load again. Take a moment to remember who God is and who I am. There you go, lifting my load again. Take a moment to remember who God is and who I am. There you go, lifting my load again. Take a moment